My name is Pablo Martinez de Velasco, President of ASEPROCE, and this is our 12th workshop, and we have more schools, providers, and agencies than ever. And this is a place to be. This is a place where everybody meets, and we'll see you here next year.
Hi, I'm Rocío Agudo from Kells College. We're here at the ASEPROCE Workshop, which is amazing. Every year we come here and we connect with great people. It's a great event.
Hello everyone, my name is Frederic and I'm representing some French schools, a chain of schools in France called KLF, Keep Learning French. And I'm here at ASEPROCE for the first time and really happy to meet some Spanish agencies.
Hello, hi, I'm Flavia. I'm from English Education Ireland. We represent 65 schools in Ireland. We are super happy to be in Madrid attending ASEPROCE event. The event is great. It's good to see friends and new partners. Thank you very much, ASEPROCE, for having us.
Hello everybody, my name is Dominic Moon and I am the Senior Education Consultant with a company called Metropolis Education. We represent 200 UK boarding schools, all of whom have been seen by myself, so we know that the quality of these schools is excellent. Now, we're here at ASEPROCE, here in Madrid. It's our 4th year at the event, and I'm delighted to tell you we have 9 amazing schools who are coming here to speak with agents and to promote and celebrate a British education.
So we are here another year in the ASEPROCE workshop. I think it's a great initiative they take year after year, and we as Aztecs, we support them very much because we managed to meet lots of schools and providers that without this workshop maybe we won't meet. So I think it's a great project, and we love to be here and support ASEPROCE another year.